got countertops coming in tomorrow. All right, this renovation is getting close to the finishing stages here. You see, got this big metal frame on here. So this countertop's actually going to be, peninsula out here. This is going to have a kind of waterfall leg on it, and so this steel gives the enough structure for the countertop basically to appear like it's just floating on itself, because there's no cabinets for it, aside from where it's attached over on the wall. So this will get like about a 2 3/4 thick kind of miter on it, so it's going to look like one big slab down on the ground. This side over here, this will get wrapped as well in the cabinet material. So as soon as the top comes on here, our cabinet installers will come back in. They put this will get wrapped in millwork, and then there's shelves here as well, and these will get LED strip lights under here as well too. If you remember, this is a huge structure point on the whole house. So we got the steel beam coming across here, sitting on this side. We got a big flush beam across here. Integral post of pretty much, this whole half of the house and 2 floors up. So we're going to be wrapping it in millwork. You see, we got everything else ready for countertop install. We pulled off the bunch of the cabinet fronts, doors, just to minimize any potential damage as well. You see sink cutouts all ready to go for plumber's access points. This one's actually going to get the countertop splash on here as well. So that'll end up being, super clean splash. And then we ended up putting the outlets over onto the side of the cabinet there as well. That gets, just keeps that backsplash totally clean. I'm going to show you the underside here now. So now what we're going to do, you can see the steel frame underneath here. So we're going to skin this in the same kind of material the inside of the cabinets are, so it's nice and clean. You don't have to worry about rubbing your legs or knees or anything